Hello everyone. Okay, so today I'm trying to do a replacement of the transmission filter, and the transmission filter is right here. Now that's it. Now to get to the transmission filter, first right here I've taken off the air filter, and I also took off the air filter housing seat, which is held in position by two 12mm bolts, one here and one here. Now after that, next you can just pull it up with a little support to disconnect the air hose coming into it. Then you can lift it up. And then remove this wire. The clip is connected right here, so you disconnect that and set this aside. With the aid of this long nose plier, I gripped this clip, pulled it back. The same thing to the clip on the other side. Using a 10mm socket to remove. You can see these bolts. Okay, with the 10mm bolt off, take off the support or the bracket, then pull both ends. Bear in mind there are some transmission fluid in this hose, so I'll get a piece of cloth and place underneath it. Okay. Okay, gently pull it out and raise it up. Lift up the tip so that the fluid in it does not pour out. Okay, keep that supported that way, and this has never been taken out before, so it's a bit tough. Turn, pull. Okay, that is out too. Okay, here it is. It is worthy to note the direction. So you see this ring cap. The ring cap faces the inside. So this is how it stays. The ring cap faces the inside. So it's like this. Okay, just worthy to note while I get the replacement. Okay, so you can see the replacement comes with a sort of indicator, and like I said earlier, it's to be installed in this direction with the cap area facing inside. I get hold of this. Okay, get a hold of this, the inner side, and socket it in. Okay, so that's it. Get my long nose plier, get the clips back in position, and couple the rest of the things back. So that's that. So if you ever have any need to replace the transmission filter, actually you might never have any need, but if you do, this is how you can do it. Okay, so remember to put back the old bracket. See, over the cap, 10mm bolt. Okay, so that's the transmission filter back in position. And why have I done this? I'm troubleshooting why the gear in this car at some point crank it on in the morning. When you crank on the engine in the morning, after waiting for about 5-10 minutes for the engine to warm up, reverse, or from park to reverse, engages normally. Reverse to neutral is normal, but neutral to drive is not normal. What do I mean not normal? There is a little bit of delay. There is about 6-7 seconds of delay, and then when engagement comes, it's also it comes with a kind of jerking engagement, which has been worrisome to me. So there's no check engine light, but I noticed that. So I've tried a lot of things. I've tested the solenoids A, B, and C. All seems to be okay, but I'm still having that issue. So just replacing it just to see where the issue is coming from. So that's the transmission filter back in place. Thank you.